Hello, welcome back to the series of video game arcades and theme parks. Today we are in Universal Studios, Florida. You may have watched the video from Knott's Berry Farm or Islands of Adventure. This arcade has two different entrances. This is a side entrance, but this is the main entrance in New York. It is called the Palace Arcade. Not sure if the arcade in Stranger Things was named after this because of the tie-in with Halloween Horror Nights, but it has been called the Palace Arcade since 1990. And look, it's air conditioned. Games of skill. That's debatable. Really quickly as you go in, there is a fuel rod station. It is $30 and there is a charge to swap them. Alright, still $3. It's not exactly as large as Islands of Adventure or Knott's Berry Farm, but it's pretty cool. Got your air hockey right here. Cyclone, a game that's been in arcades since the 1980s, and it looks exactly the same. Why? Because look, there's no moving parts. It's got to be a huge moneymaker for arcades. Oh, they got a Balloon Buster game. Well, the Balloon Buster game is busted. I don't remember this being in the arcade before. And of course, what's an arcade without ice games? Whack and Win. Okay, wow. The Black Hole, the first generation. And yes, this arcade actually still uses tokens. There is the price as of the 10th of June, 2020. Just like Islands of Adventure, there is a claw game where you can win knockoff earpods. And see that guy. Well, right now anyway. And Cute Fuzzies. Ticket Station.
Station!
Of course, one of these games that look super easy to win, but you're not going to win it. I mean, look at the prices. Eekla! There are those cats that I'm still too old to know what they are from, except for I remember them from Facebook Messenger. It's the only place I've ever seen them, other than plushie form. Enough space in here for a second floor. So it's a standard basketball game. There's an offering from Raw Thrills, Jurassic Park game. And of course, Motorcycle Race, also from Raw Thrills. Interesting, here's a game that's from Raw Thrills and Nintendo. I thought Nintendo made their own arcade games. And something that's very, very much like Down the Clown, but it is not from ice. Down the Snowman, I guess. And something that's very, very new to this arcade, they never had a prize store before. I don't believe they had it. They must not have had any redemption games. There was an automated one here for a little while. I was hoping to show you guys that, but it's no longer here because it's a full-on staffed store. The staff member has just walked away, so I figured I'd shoot it. Hey look, there's a little flip-flop. Don't step on it. Oh yes, whoopee cushion, always a classic. This is there's a good number of prizes in here. Check out the LEDs. They actually show up really well on screen. Sometimes they don't. Of course, there's always candy. That's always a good prize. These are the movie theater style boxes. I remember when I was little, first time I had bought one of those, it was like, oh wow, there's so much candy, and you open it up and it's a little bag inside. Giant monster jackpot. So unfortunately, this is going to be a short video because it's a pretty small arcade, but a lot of you really like the video I shot almost last year. It was January of this year at Islands of Adventure, so I figured I would show you this arcade. Sorry that half the games are off because of social distancing, which is still going on at this point, but you know, you get to see what's here. Some of you like them, some of you hate them, but here's a dad joke. Kate Spade? Who did she spade? There's a whole arcade section in IAAPA. I wish I was authorized to shoot in IAAPA, but I was told I couldn't. And I didn't want to risk shooting there anyway and being barred from entering ever again. I'm going to apply this year for media. I'm sure it's not going to work, but I'm going to try. But for now, I hope you enjoy this tour of the arcade here at Universal Studios Florida. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop or the prize shop.
Almost got them off. You're melting my heart.
Really? I didn't get any of them. It's one of those signs for YouTubers. Is that the end screen telling you to look at it?